Hi, I'm Bob Myers. I'm Director of Education for the Historical Society of Michigan, or HSM as we like to call it. HSM runs a lot of events throughout the year, and our conferences are among the biggest. Well, this year, our annual Fall Michigan History Conference looks a little bit different. We decided to go virtual. Now, we're thrilled to be able to bring you all of our normal conference content, sessions, behind-the-scenes looks at historic Lansing, exhibits, networking, workshops, all from the comfort of your own home. Now, when we say virtual, what does that mean for you? Well, let's take a look.
Like all of HSM's virtual events, the conference will be hosted on Zoom. After you download and open the Zoom app, you'll click the Join a Meeting button. That takes you to a screen where you'll enter a meeting ID that we'll send you. From there, you'll enter a waiting room, and our staff will admit you into the conference stream shortly. And we're in! Here's Bob again, this time presenting a conference session. In order to hear the presentation, you'll click Join with Computer Audio. You can adjust those settings by clicking the arrow near the unmute button. If you want to wave hello to other conference attendees, you can turn on or off your camera with the Start Video button. Along the bottom of the screen, you'll find the Participants button, where you can see your fellow conference goers, and, more importantly, Chat, where you can say hello or ask the presenter a question. After each program, you'll be taken to a presentation by one of our sponsors, exhibitors, or vendors. We know that visiting the exhibit tables at our conferences is a highlight for many of you, and we don't want you to miss out. Here's Bob again, this time as an exhibitor showing off a recent issue of Michigan History Magazine. When the next session is ready to begin, we'll automatically bring you back from the exhibit and you'll be underway with the next program. But that's not all. With 2 simultaneous Zoom streams running throughout the conference, you can easily switch rooms if another session catches your eye. Just leave the current Zoom meeting and join the other one. You're welcome to stay in one room all day or switch as many times as you want. We'll send you a schedule to let you plan your conference experience ahead of time. There's Bob one more time as we wrap up this conference preview. Hi, I'm Jake Campbell, Senior Manager for Events at HSM, and you just got a glimpse of what the actual conference experience will be like, something that you can do from the comfort of your own home. We at HSM had 2 goals for our first virtual conference. One was to bring you all the content you'd expect from the in-person experience and more, and the other is to make it as seamless as possible for you. So, what do you need to attend the conference? You certainly don't need to be a tech wizard, as long as you have a smartphone, tablet, laptop, or desktop computer with speakers, you've got everything you need. We'll send detailed and easy to follow instructions to everybody who registers, and we'll have live phone and chat support available throughout the conference. If you have any questions, we're here to help. So, with 2 full days of history content for as little as $59 for HSM members, we hope you'll go to hsmichigan.org to register for the conference today. Thank you.